In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable app and message notifications on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, go down and select Notifications. Versus Notifications, get notifications from apps and other senders. Click inside that oval to toggle it off or to the right to enable. And you can also do it on an app-to-app basis by just scrolling down on this page. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.